Well, happy Tuesday, everybody. It is an absolutely beautiful day in Prince George, British Columbia. The rain, well, feels a little bit more like the West Coast, but you know what's so awesome about it is everything's turning green. Remember how all my vlogs over the winter and this spring have been like brown and dirty and muddy? Well, check this out. Green mountainsides, there's leaves on the trees, and look at our yard. There's no gravel. Well, there's a little bit of gravel over there, but there's no gravel. We got bare asphalt for the most part, and I absolutely love it. And the one good thing about the rain is it's gonna wash all the mud away. The only downside is it's not good for the loggers because, you know, it makes it muddy and crappy, and we need to get back to work because you know what? That lumber that's so expensive, we got to get it to the mill so we can sell it and the lumber companies can make some money, and hopefully they can find it in their hearts to give the log truckers a little bit of a raise, or at least pay them what they're worth, because Lord knows they need it. But anyways, I didn't start this Tech Talk Tuesday to talk about lumber prices or the fact that it's raining. Today's Tech Talk Tuesday is about the Peterbilt 567 and customization of the headlights. Because oh yes, as things change, and they will, and they are, the Peterbilt 567 is hands down going to be the leader when it comes to cool, customized trucks in the future. Check this out. So this is Blue Valley Trucking's new Peterbilt 567 setback, and we did a little bit of work to it. I've shown you guys in some previous vlogs. We put a drop visor on it, painted the tanks, added some stainless bling, but this is what today's topic is. Look at these headlights. Oh yes, that's right. Peterbilt is one of the only, if not the only OEM where you can do full-on custom, still have a slippery aero truck that gets the greenhouse gas credits that we all need, even though we absolutely hate it. So yes, that's true. Probably a lot of you, your salesmen have called you and said, you know what, the tires you want, I can't get them. I actually just had a change order because we're short on greenhouse gas credits. They want to change all the tires on all my stock trucks to low rolling resistant, like whether I like it or not. So anyways, it's time to go fight to get my tires. So, but that's a topic for another day. You know, this whole EPA thing, it just freaking, and I know I'm getting sidetracked, but it really ticks me off. Because, you know, I would like them to come live in Prince George, try your low rolling resistant, and not saying that all low rolling resistant tires are bad, and let's face it, if you're on highway and you can save fuel, it's a good thing. But when you're in the bush and you're slugging through the mud, you need traction tires. That's what we need. But check out these headlights. So Peterbilt 567, we've got the JJ brackets. They mount just inside the hood. Now, the nice thing with these is they actually retain the factory mounting point. Now, you get a bit of a gap there, and we'll come take a look at the other side as well. But with these, they mount right to the hinge. So your Metten hood doesn't touch your headlights at all. So these suckers are tough, like super tough. And that truly is one of the biggest benefits of a Peterbilt over the other models. You know, because when you have your headlights mounted to the fenders, it adds more weight and it's gonna create more stress on your fender. Now this is a Metten hood, and we've had like zero issues with it. And you know what? I would say these headlights are probably, well, one of the reasons, because you don't have all that extra weight, and the other reason is because they designed the hood to work with Metten, and our headlight pods mount right to your hood hinge. So if you want to do custom headlights on your Peterbilt 567, you can go with the JJ brackets. Here we went with the dual speaker LED headlights. Now, one thing to keep in mind when you do this mod is these don't have a signal light in them. So when you're looking at this truck from the front, there's no signal light, which is kind of bad. So we added a signal light. If you look just below the bumper, there it is. There's our signal light. So you will be able to tell, looking at it from the front, that they're turning. And And as well, you have these and the cab guard lights. So when you're coming from the side, you're gonna be able to see those. You'll see your cab guard lights when it's signaling, and when you're directly from the front, we'll have these underneath. Such a cool old school look. Check that out. Yeah, just, oh, I love it. You know what? It's not a bad thing to be going into the next generation with a truck that looks like this. So I'm gonna unlock the door with my key fob, and here's a sneak peek. I got custom Peterbilt key tag keychains for all my customers picking up new Peterbilts. Peterbilt, there's only one king, baby, and that's Peterbilt. Yeah. So for take a look, let's put our park lights on and we'll see what it looks like. So with the park lights on, right now the headlights are not on. We've got the light under the bumper shine, so we do have a forward-facing marker light, which is required. So now I'm going to put the key in the ignition, and we'll turn it on and show you what the signals look like. Make sure I did actually turn the signal light on. Oh yeah, there it is. She's a blinking. So check this out. So now we've got the passenger side signaling, and the driver's side is just a marker light, and that's a nice bright LED. So even though we've got our speaker headlights, people will still be able to tell what you're doing. And when it's going down the bush road at night, she's gonna look wicked. So let's turn on our headlights and check out how those look. I know, eh? It's hard to contain my excitement. Oh yeah, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And look at that low beam. Hands down, well, that's a good shot. Ain't Peterbilt oval. But these speaker LEDs look absolutely fantastic on the 567. Now, one thing to keep in mind, if you're putting these on a truck and you want heat, they do not come heated with the round ones. So right now, they're LEDs, but they are not heated. That's the only downside to the round speakers. But interestingly enough, if you go with the non-heated, I think I turned the high beams on. Oh yeah. If you go with non-heated speakers, they have a longer warranty than the heated lights. So there you go. Now you can see all the LEDs are lit up. Yeah. Gosh, looks so good. Something else you'll notice on this one is we added some extra marker lights on the roof. If I could zoom in. I don't really know how to zoom in my GoPro. But yeah, so we've got 7 marker lights across the top of the roof on this 567. And you know what? This is the first one I've done like that. And it looks so good. Like, check this out. Gosh. Just looks fantastic. The body shop, they painted the fenders, painted the fuel tanks. We just got it in, painted the depth cover because originally we didn't have it on the list. And they looked at it and they said, you know what, doesn't look complete. So talked with Jeremy and we got the depth cover painted. So that just looks great. And the nice thing, they only painted down to here, so then that way this tread plate, you don't kick off that paint. And just looks absolutely amazing. This one's got a free flight long logger rig out, 9/6 wide bunks, free flight cab guard with the quad ovals, top and bottom. Still got the signal light going, but just an absolutely beautiful truck. Just wicked. And interestingly enough, you know what? Our Peterbilt dealership has such good service. Even some of our customers that have Kenworths, bring them here because they know, you know what, we've got a good shop, we do good work, and we appreciate their business no matter what brand they bring in the door. So whether it's Peterbilt, Kenworth, Freightliner, International, Isuzu, Hino, I don't know, Prevost, MCI, International, am I forgetting any? You know what, we'll do everything we can to get you out the door. Of course, if it's got a Cummins engine, Cat engine, or an MX engine, it's easier for us to work on. And we can do warranty work on any Cummins or MX engine, so no matter what brand it is. So anyways, something to keep in mind. Just saying. But yeah guys, I know I'm a little off track, but I just wanted to show you what you can do for customization for headlights on the 5 Series truck, specifically the 567 setback front axle. And I tell you what, this looks just fantastic. Making an old school, or pardon me, making a new school truck look old school. One thing that I did think would be cool, but I didn't have the cojones to do it, is if we could have put a round signal light on here, you know, kind of like an old 359. But the problem is with this being matten, I wouldn't want to, I mean, there is a fender liner, but I wouldn't want to drill a hole through it and then have the hood crack, because that would be bad. And I know I've said it before, I've said it 1,000 times. The Peterbilt 567 hood comes in 3 sections. So this side piece, there's actually a seam right there. So if you bugger up a fender, you can just replace that. You know, if you buggered up your fender and not your headlight, you can replace your fender and keep your headlight. Odds are that's not going to happen, because usually if you hit something, you're going to bugger up your headlight. But you never know. Maybe a log would come down and hit your fender, or you know, maybe you got an angry girlfriend, or you know, the wife finds out about your side. I was going to say the wife finds out about your side piece and she comes out and takes an axe to the fender of your truck. I mean, I'm not saying that you should get a side piece, because you know what? My wife, Andrea, she said, you know what? If you ever want to leave me, that's fine. You know, well, actually, she didn't say that's fine, but she said, if you're ever going to screw around, let me know first. But she says, if I catch you screwing around on me, I will kill you. She's like, I'm not even joking. So, you know what? Yeah, she put the fear of God into me. Anyways, I'm off traffic, so don't cheat on your wives. You know, if your wife sucks, whatever, get a divorce, take counseling. I don't know. I'm a truck guy, I'm not a... Yeah, why did I start going down this path? Anyways, guys, I'm happily married, 3 kids. You know what? Sorry, ladies, if anybody wants to be my girlfriend, I'm taken, you know. But anyways, off topic again. Just call me Squirrel. So, custom headlights on the Peterbilt 567. They look amazing. The truck looks amazing. And you know what? Going into 2025, Peterbilt, hands down, has the best looking, most customizable new style truck that's out there. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. If you want to subscribe and hear more stupid talk from me, hit the bell for all the notifications. And this is Tuesday. I'm not sure which day we're going to do a Kenny update, but you know what? I had Kenny Kenny under the gun with a pressure washer, and I found a few good things, but I did have a bit of a mishap. I found some bad things. Well, one really bad thing. So anyways, stay tuned for an update on Don't Kill Kenny. And this is my Peterbilt 567 sold to Blue Valley Transport. Thanks, Blue Valley, for your support. You have an absolutely epic, beautiful truck. We appreciate your business. And check it out, guys. Check it out. The Peterbilt 567 in all her glory, looking absolutely amazing and badass. Take care, guys. I better get to work before I get in crap for, you know, being outside social media-ing. You know, got a job in sales. It's almost not even like a real job. I mean, it kind of is a job. I got to do paperwork. Everybody's got to do paperwork. Factory changed some tires, so I got to go and fix that. What do you do?